Now we are going to take up one more problem on projections of laminas, the problem number 106, and how to solve this problem using AutoCAD software. A hexagonal lamina of side 25 mm rests on one of its corners on HP. The corner opposite to the corner on which it rests is 35 mm above HP, and the diagonal passing through the corner on which it rests is inclined at 30 degrees to VP. Draw its projections and find the inclination of the surface with HP. So this is the problem which is to solve by using AutoCAD software. So this is the final solution what you want to get. So all you have to get theta should be equal to 44.43 degrees. To do that, first we will go to the AutoCAD screen and click on new. I will just go to the AutoCAD and I will just then you just go to the AutoCAD screen, and now we will going to do this problem. And to solve this, you just switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now the command is limits. So first we are going to set the limits of the drawing as A4 size sheet. Why I am always selecting A4 size? Because in the examination you have to do the problem and you have to take the printout in A4 size sheet. So that is the reason. So then go to zoom all, then go to line, select some arbitrary point and click on first button of the mouse and take the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right side and take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. Again you take some distance to the top side and click on first button of the mouse and enter, and then go to offset, take the distance as 297, select this vertical line and offset to the left side and go to offset, take the distance as 210, select this horizontal line and offset to the top side, then go to zoom, extends and zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet between this vertical and this horizontal, between this horizontal and this vertical, and between this vertical and this horizontal. Then go to layer, click on new, type the layer by name XY, enter, click on new, type the layer by name front view, enter, click on new, type the layer by name top view, enter, click on new, type the layer by name locus. Once you do that, so layer 0 will contain the projector lines. All the projector lines will going to have a line weight of 0.05. You click on line weight and select this as 0.05, and then going XY, you click on this and make this as 0.13, and then the front view should have the line weight as 0.5 and say OK, and the top view should also have the line weight as 0.5, say OK, and the locus line will going to have 0.05. Then you just come down to the locus layer line type continuous, click on that and click on load, select this available line types as dash dot and say OK, and select that dash dot and make that as the current line type for locus layer. And then the top view should have a magenta color, and also the layer front view should have the color as blue, and say OK and say close. Now we will go for finding out the solution. So first you take hexagon of 25 mm, you just come down to this, so go to polygon, select the number of sides as 6, you take the edge option, so you take select this point and drag this towards the right side and take the distance as 25, then go to line, select this and draw one vertical horizontal line, and you project all these from the corner points of the hexagon to the XY line. So go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this, and then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Once you do that, then you just go to fillet between these two and also fillet between these two. Now from here you just go to line, take some distance and draw this. So now you just come down to this, and now you break this line first point, take INT of this and say at the rate. Similarly break this first point, take INT of this and say at the rate. Now you just select this entire thing and then go to layer, make that layer as front view and escape. Similarly select this and go to layer, make that layer as top view. So once you do that, now we just go to the line weight display. Now here, previous case, we need to give the dimension directly, but here what happens is, so he has given the offset distance, so we need to draw this. To draw this, so first what I need to do is, here you just go to offset, take the distance as 35 mm, and you draw this line. So now I need to take this. So what will going to be the dimension? So to do that, first we'll go for DDIM, click on modify, take the decimal point up to second decimal point, and go to text, align with the dimension line, take the text height as 3, and then it becomes above, and this offset from the dimension line as 3, and symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, and then go to lines, and take this dimension as 3, and say OK, and say close. Now we need to do dimension, take intersection point of this. So you take intersection point of this. So obviously it will be 2 times the diameter. So you're going to get 50. Now we go for a circle. So you come down to circle, take nearest point on this, and take the radius as 50. Once you do that, so you're going to break this line till here, and you break this line, remove this arc, and also you just remove this. Now we have break this line till here, and you break this line till here on this side. Then go to erase this, and erase this, and erase this. Once you do that, we need to show this dimension here. So we need to copy this. So to copy this, you just go to copy, select this entire thing, and you take endpoint of this, and take this as the center of this line. So you're going to get this. Once you get this, now we need to rotate this. So to rotate this, go to rotate, select this entire thing, and take base point. You take end of this. So what is the reference? Reference by default is 0. Sorry. Go to rotate, select this entire thing, and go to select objects. You take endpoint of this, and now you just take reference, specify the rotation angle as 0, and take the specify new angle as intersection point of this. So it has been rotated. So then go to zoom previous. No, it's not required. You just from here itself you start doing it. Then you project this to the down. You take line int of this and draw vertical line, and take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Once you do that, then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as these two. Then go to line, take int of this, and similarly take line int of this and draw one more horizontal line. So go to line, take endpoint of this. As you take the cursor on this, you are going to get this here, and then perpendicular to this. Similarly, take endpoint of this. Now you move the cursor from here to this point and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and this as the object to trim. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection of this and take intersection point of this. Similarly, line int of this and take intersection part of this and take intersection part of this. Then go to break this line. So now we need to show this only these three, and also these two lines and this line we need to focus. So to do that, so first we will go for line, take intersection point of this. On this side we are going to draw this, and similarly on this side also we are going to draw this. Then go to break this line, first point, and take int of this and say @ enter. Then go to break first point, take int of this and say @ then go to break, select this first point and take intersection point of this and say @ then go to break, select this first point, take int of this and say @ and here break, select this first point, take int of this and at the rate enter. So now you just select all these 6 lines and then change that layer to top view. Now you just go to the zoom previous. Now you just extend this line till to this boundary. So here there is a mistake. Just go to fillet and fillet between these two, and then go to extend, select this, extend to this boundary, and so this is how you also, if there is a mistake, we can modify that at any point of time. So then just go to zoom previous. Now we need to consider 30 degree with reference to this, and then to do this, so here you just come down to this entire thing, then go to dim, take intersection part of this. Of course this will be 2 times the diameter, you need not have to, but of course you need to show the dimension. Again go to intersection part of this and take int of this. So here 35.71. So what we want to get here, it is 35.707. So it means 35.71. So that is what we are going to get, and this is 50. So that is how you will going to get this. So now you will go for a line command. Go to nearest point on this. Take nearest on this. Select some arbitrary point, and you take at the rate 100 less than minus 150 degree. So then just go to circle, take nearest point, and then take the radius as 50. Then go to break this line till here, and you break this line till here, and then go to erase, then go to line, take int of this, and then go to circle, take center of this, and take the radius as 35.71. Then go to break this again on this side and also on this side. Then go to erase this, then go to fillet between these two, then go to erase this line and erase this one dimension. Now you just copy, select this entire thing, and then go to base point, to take intersection point of this and go to center of this. So the point is here. So then, sorry, we need to do it in the other way. It should have been done in the other way. So okay, no problem. So here it is been done in the other way, okay, or else we will try to solve this by using the same procedure, so that we need not have to have any confusion. So to do that, you just go to undo, remove this, and I will just undo all these things, and here, yes. So now we are at this stage. Then go to fillet between these two, you will going to get this. Now we go for a circle command, take center of this here, intersection of this. So okay, so to do that, you just go to circle, or yes, go to circle, take the locus point will come on this side. Okay, so to do that, so here we will just go to erase, and I will go to erase this. So go to circle, take endpoint of this and take the radius as 50, and then go to line, go to break this from here to here and also from here to here. Then you erase it, then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line. Similarly, go to circle, take center of this, and of course it will comes on circle, take end point of this or center, whichever you want, and take the radius as 35.71. So once you do that, so here this point will going to come on this side. So you just go to extend this line till here. So this is the boundary what you will going to get. Then go to break. So go to break this line from here to here and also from here to here. Then go to erase this arc. Then you just come down to break break this line till here, and you break this line till here. Once you do that, now you just go to erase these two, then go to copy this entire thing, take intersection point of this and take end point of this now. So this is how you are going to be placed. Once you get this, now you need to go to rotate, select this entire thing. So here you just take the rotate option and take base point, intersection of this, and take the reference, angle is 0, and take intersection point of this now, no angle. So once you do that, now it is being crossing the limits. So crossing this XY line, then you just go to layer, select this as locus line, and you take this as 10. Once you do that, now you just move this entire thing down. So you take wherever you want and you place it, then go to break this line till here, and just copy. Now you project this. So go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly, line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line, and then go to fillet between this line and this line. Similarly, line, take INT of this, go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly, line, INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. So then go to fillet between this line and this line. Similarly, line, take INT of this, and then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly, line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then line, INT of this, take INT of this and take intersection point of this, and take INT of this and take INT of this and take intersection of this and say close. Now you just select on all these lines and you select this layer as the front view. So once you do that, so this is also X layer, click on this and you click on this, go to layer, make that layer as XY. And so now we have changed everything. Now we need to go for dim. So you go to DDIM, just click on modify S. You need to have the primary units as 0.0 because, and also angular dimension is up to second decimal point. So we need to have this now. So now to do that, so here just go to DDIM. So you modify in the primary units. You make this as 0, precision as 0 and say OK and say close. Now you go to dim. Now you just switch off this, then you take intersection point of this and take INT of this. So you're going to get this 25. Then go to dim and here dim angular, select between this line and this line. So here you're going to get it as 44.43. Go to text, give space, enter and place it wherever you want. Then you just go to DDIM. Now you just come down to DDIM, modify, then precision is 0 degree and say close. Then go to dim, then go to angular, select between this line and this line. So you're going to get 30 degree. Again go to angular, select between this line and this line. You go to text, give space, enter and place it wherever you want. Then you come down to the text. So here you mark this as go to the text, select this, take this height as 3, rotation angle as 0 and mark this as X. You can mark this as VP and you mark this as HP. You mark this as Y and here put the caps lock of A, B, C, D, D, E and F. Similarly you have A dash, similarly you have B dash, Similarly, you have C dash, then D dash, then you have bracket E dash, E dash, and then F dash. Once you do that, then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, take X, and you make this as VP, and you mark this as HP. So you mark this as small e, B, and C, and D, and E, and F. Then you have A dash, you have B dash, you have C dash, and you have D dash, you have E dash, and you have F dash. Then you just click over this, make this layer as front view, then you click on this HP, A, B, C, and then D, E, and F, make this layer as top view. Now you just go to copy, so take A dash, and similarly B dash, and then F dash, then C dash, then E dash, then D dash. Once you do that, so here copy, so this is A, and that A comes here. Similarly B, that B will be here. Similarly C, that C will come here, and then D, that D will be here. You're going to get this. Then you have E, and that E will come here, and here F, that F will come here. Then we have A dash, then we have B dash, then we have C dash, then we have D dash, then we have E dash, then we have F dash in brackets. So now you just edit this E dash, which is just without bracket, and also F dash without bracket. Then you move appropriately and place it. So this angle, so here you just move this Y. Now you just go to M text, select this entire thing, and go to formatting, go to symbol, so make this angle as beta, and click here, then go to move, select this and place it wherever you want. Similarly, you want to copy this, so copy this here, and you make this DD edit, so you just make a DD edit, select this, and you make this as small letter q, theta. Once you do that, so now you just come down to dim, take nearest on this, and take dim, go to nearest on this, and take perpendicular to this line, so you're going to get 35 mm. So ultimately you just go to D text, so here you write equals 44.43 degrees. So 44.43 percentage D to get the degree symbol, and then go to copy, select this theta and copy it here. So this will going to be the answer what you will going to get, and this is how you will be able to complete the drawing by using AutoCAD software. Thank you.